this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. To take this black panel off from the inside, there's just a couple of screws accessible right there in the handle pockets there and there. All the rest of it actually just pulls off with the clips. Get under here and pull it all down, and there's clips all the way on it. So we'll get into that first. We'll undo those two screws. Okay, so up in the handle here is a T20, as you can see there. So we just undo that on both sides. They're the only screws holding the tailgate on, and then we'll click the rest off. So to start with, you pull this panel off here. Just to get it out of the way from there. The same. Okay, so the two screws are out, and now this panel's all just held on. You can see a clip there actually with clips. Just going to take that out to get us started. Oh, they're very tight. So yeah, once we get a start, we should be right here. That's the first one. They are very, very tight. If you're going to use a screwdriver on things like this, get an old blunt one. This one's got no sharp edges, so it's way less likely. But they are really tight. There we go. There we go. Sounds brutal. There, it's down. You can see all of the clips here, and they're all intact, thank goodness. Okay, so it's a matter of just lining it up. Now, here's a Mark original. There was one clip broken, and you can move them around and put it in a less obvious spot if you like, but I've just put a bit of silicone on there so it doesn't rattle, and it will hold in place. It'll set once it's held in place. Don't do that for multiple of them. You might have to buy some clips, but for one, it's absolutely fine. So we'll get that up in place over that slot, and I'm going to work with this one because I can see it, and we'll maneuver that into position right there. There's one in, and the other one I can see is here. Okay, that's there. The rest now will be auto lined up. Well, that one's missing. That's it. Okay, clips back on, screws back in. Okay, so now we just put these back in place. It's again, just find your holes and line them up. Actually sitting up a bit too high, so we need to flex that down a bit until it drops into the hole, like that, and then it's on. Just hook a screwdriver onto the clip, and then you can press it down to where you want it to go. There it goes. Oh, in and straight out again. Okay. Then just don't forget the two torque screws. That'll hold all the thing in place. Screw them up. You're all good. That's all fully back on.